Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create a simple footer on WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, access the site editor, and add a footer that enhances the design and functionality of your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login option positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. This login area is your gateway to managing your website. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the login button, you will see several options for signing in. For a more streamlined process, select the option that allows you to continue using your Google account. Once you choose this method, a list of your associated Google accounts will appear. Pick the account you wish to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. This process not only simplifies your login but also integrates your existing Google credentials for easier access in the future. Once you have signed in, look for the quick links section on your WordPress dashboard. In this section, find and click the option labeled Edit Site. This selection will take you directly into the site editor, where you can make changes to your website's layout and design elements, including the footer. Inside the site editor interface, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top left corner of the screen. You will notice a plus icon there, which is used to add new elements to your website. Click on this plus icon to reveal the additional options available for customizing your site. In the menu that appears, use the search bar to quickly locate the footer components by typing the word footer. A selection of footer elements will then be displayed. Find the specific footer layout or element that suits your website and click on it. By doing this, you add the footer structure to your website. Once your chosen footer component has been added, you can customize it further. This means you have the chance to add blocks, adjust text, change colors, and edit links to create a footer that matches your brand and aesthetic preferences. Take your time to experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired look and functionality. After you are satisfied with the customization and layout of your footer, the final step is to save your work. Move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Save button. Saving your progress ensures that all the changes you made are applied to your live website and that your new footer is ready for visitors. This completes the process of creating and adding a customized footer to your WordPress website. Following these instructions will result in a professional and functional footer that contributes to the overall user experience on your site. Enjoy your newly designed footer and the additional polish it brings to your WordPress website.